Going on, Cameron Seart again. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than what I normally do. Today I'm going to be going to this animal park. It's called Fossil Rim, and it's about an hour and 30 minutes from my house right here. So got a little bit of a drive, but so basically what it is you got you drive in your car. We're taking this Ford Expedition right here, car of choice. So you just drive through your car. It's like it's kind of like a zoo, but you just drive in it, and then like all kinds of exotic animals like zebras, giraffes, and gazelles and stuff. They just come out. They just come out of the. They're just walking around there, and then you just drive around on this path or whatever, and you feed them, and they come up right up to your car. So I think that's gonna be pretty awesome. I hope you guys like this kind of video. So let me know if you do. It's kind of gonna be like a vlog video. So if you like these, let me know in the comment section below. See if you want to see more of these. So I'll meet you guys there. Drive to our destination. Okay, go. We got the goods here, Maddie. You want this? Got some snacks. We're finally here.
Oh, hey, we
gonna
picked up that remote control that's on the floor.
Feed some animals. We got this little tiny deer thing. Oh, he's so cool looking. I don't even know what that is. So cool looking. Oh, and a roadrunner running across the road. That's so cool. Wow. This big herd of more deer-like things. Got long pointy horns. Cool. Caribou looking deer things out here.
Maybe fallow deer?
Pretty sweet looking.
Perfect.
Nice ones. What do you have to say, Parker? Anything?
They look similar to you, but more handsome.
Fallow deer.
Well spoken.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, Mom, what do you think this one's called? Deer animal thing. Oh, just a deer. Pretty cool looking though. I have no idea, but it's getting pretty close. Pretty cool looking. Feed him some.
I am.
Make sure you throw enough so that you
Why are you throwing it? I'm feeding it. Okay, we're gonna run out of food for the deer and the giraffe, and that's gonna be upsetting. Come here, buddy.
Don't feed him anymore unless you make him get close. Put out your hand.
Don't tell me what to do.
Yep. You gotta make him work for it.
He's interested.
Pretty sweet looking.
Oh!
Slowly
Lay a
keep,
trail. You're laying a trail.
slowly keep feeding him.
You're laying a trail. Oh. Do you smell it? Oh, he sees it. He's judging me. Ken, don't stick out a robot arm at him. You're kidding me.
He's not gonna hear. I'm sorry. Boy, if you don't.
Really, Mom, he's not going to care because he was literally about to come up here.
Want to see this guy? No.
That one back there's an albino.
Oh.
You took off, right?
No.
I can't see.
All these ones up here. Looks like feasting on something. Maybe we can get them to eat. Slowly approach. That white one's giant. Oh, you could eat. Look at all of them. Here, can I have some food?
Here, no. Why are you running away?
Little buddy. He's coming close. Do you mind?
Go ahead.
No, don't leave. He's leaving. Zebra up here. Oh. He could be coming to us. I'll try and lure him in. He's eating the food well. See if he comes back. Okay.
He's got 3 hands going.
Ah! Oh, that's kind of scary. That was terrifying.
Is he eating it?
Give him some more food. Give him some food.
They do.
He's gigantic. He's not afraid either.
Give us some more.
Pet him. Pet him.
Pet him.
Mom, you want to reach? You want to reach? You want to reach?
Yes.
Here, get some food.
Can you get me some?
I'm petting him.
Dad is petting him.
Go. Feed him, feed him, feed him.
Here.
He's so cool.
Little buddy.
Here.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's had enough.
Man, we
Okay.
definitely ruined
Don't
it.
throw it at him.
I got scared
Alright,
away.
there he goes. Cheetah up here. Just chilling out in the shade, you know. Zebra's still walking out back there. That was pretty awesome. Coolest part of the trip so far. Guys, the twisty horns.
Sweet.
Pretty awesome.
Super awesome.
He's right at home.
He's got a full belly.
Yeah, he does.
Church coming up. He might eat. Come on, buddy. He's looking at our car. He's trying to eat things off our car. He's trying to eat the bird poop. Here, buddy.
I got actual food here.
Come on. Hey.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, it's funny. No, come on. Little buddy. Right here.
The longest.
Ow, he bit me. Oh, that hurt.
Move. Both of you move.
Oh, you bit me. Oh, that felt weird. He's so giant. It bit me. That was the weirdest thing ever.
Put your legs in here and stand up now.
Oh, I can't believe he just did that. That was weird. My animal jam right here. Some of these little tiny micro deer things. Some rhinos over here. Wildebeests on this side. I think that might be the little micro horse down there, way down there. The little black one. More little mini micro deer things. Plenty of cool rhinoceroses. Here one. Pretty cool wildebeest.
Hey, buddy.
Up real close.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Eating all that food.
He loves that.
Pretty sweet. Chasing each other. He was running so fast before. Wish I could have got that a second ago. Pretty awesome. Little like micro deer things. So funny looking. So little. It's probably only like 2 feet tall. Pretty sweet right there. Oh look. Chasing each other's off. Some more over here. This is the exit right here, throwing out our last remaining food. So, oops. Hope you enjoy this video right here. Got some cool clips in it right here, especially the zebra and ostrich. Say goodbye.
Bye.